Your girl finna go blonde. Cause it's summertime and the girls outside. Oh, I was clapping. Hey y'all. So I'm here doing a hair review for my girls because y'all know I be wearing wig. Alexa, pause the music. Alexa, resume music. Yeah, there we go. Y'all, I'm sorry, but I'm feeling myself because I got a new vanity. My man got me, and the light that is just giving, it's just giving me light. You know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, I'm feeling myself. Sorry. Anyway, I came here to do an initial hair review for y'all girls. It's called ULA hair. I think that's how you see it. But anyway, y'all, blondes have more fun, I heard. So I'm trying to have some fun this summer. I'm trying to be on a yacht with my man sipping mimosas, baby. Yeah. But anyway, look at this wig, y'all. I'm so excited. Because I ain't never been blonde. Never been blonde. So they gave me some cute little lashes, honey. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I be wearing these lashes. I be putting them on, but I get my lash extensions done. But like, you know, when it's about that time to get some new ones and, you know, looking a little crusty, then I plop these little girls on. Period. Let me see what else treats I got before I skip to my loop. Okay, I want to show y'all everything that's in my goodie bag. So they gave me a comb. I'm finna have so many combs. I need these though, cause I be laying my part in the middle. They gave me a wig cap, brown. How they knew it was black? It's okay, cause I am black. And I'ma use it. And I'ma use it because your girl is sun-kissed. And they gave instructions. How sweet. Like I'm gonna listen to these. I'm not. But it was nice of them. It was a nice gesture. So yeah, it's some more paper. Real professional, like we don't care. I know what y'all came here for. Y'all came here for the real boom. This is what y'all want to see. I gotta get the people what they wanna like. Y'all look at her. Look at her. It's giving Goldilocks. Y'all, how y'all think I'm gonna look with this? I'm finna surprise the heck out of my man when he see me with this on. And it's a mother freaking full frontal. You know I don't be wearing frontals. I be wearing closures because I'm lazy. But look at this. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I love this wig. It's beautiful. I'm probably gonna end up dyeing it a different color, but I still love it. Like, I don't gotta bleach no motherfucking knots. I ain't gotta do nothing. It got the clips, it got the everything. It got boom, boom, boom. Y'all, I'm finna be cute. Y'all wanna see a little sample? I wanna see a little sample. I'm excited. I'm too excited. Am I gonna be cute? I'm gonna look crazy in there. I feel like I'm finna look crazy. Oh God. Is it giving Goldilocks? Is it giving Goldilocks? Is it giving summer vacation? Or is it giving Party City? What is it giving? It ain't finna be giving Party City if it is. And it's, you know, it's a decent lift, honey. Oh, shoot. Hold on, let me see. Yeah. 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 I'm gonna be like, ow, 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 ow. I'm probably gonna color it a different color after I wear blonde one time. What y'all think? Y'all think I should just be a blondie? Or y'all think I should turn it pink or green? That's what I need y'all to do. Go comment if y'all think I should turn it pink, green, hot pink, light pink, rose. What is rose? Rose gold. Rose. What is it? Anyway, whatever color y'all think I should make it, go comment below, please, because I just need to know. I just need to know. Look at the movement. Look at the movement. Y'all don't see me. Anyway, let me take this off. I think I messed it up. So yeah, I'm finna yeah, okay, let me actually get to what I'm supposed to be doing. This is 24 inches. 24 inches. This is HD lace. That's all I like, y'all. I don't want no other kind of lace. I'm not even gonna lie to you. You could see some little white pricklies in here. Some little white pricklies. But I'm gonna just spray some brown on there. And I think it'll be good. It smells good. Honestly. It do. Smell good. Anyway, y'all, let me know what color y'all think I should do her. I'm finna do the next video and show y'all me installing it. If it's any other videos y'all want me and him to do, let us know. If it's any videos you want me to do, like hair, because I'm finna be a hair girl. Because they send me hair and I'm gonna wear it. And I'm gonna review it and I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. Because you know what? I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. If don't nobody else tell y'all the truth, I'm gonna tell it. Because that's who I am. Anyway, love y'all. I'm out. Be at the next video. I'm not playing with you.